To insert an image below your title, click after your title and then press Enter. Then go to the Insert tab and click on Online Pictures. Search for your image in the search bar and then choose the picture you like and then hit Insert. To reposition your picture, you might need to change the text wrap settings, or you can go to Home and change the alignment. To format your picture, make sure your picture is clicked on and then clicked on the Format tab. You can choose a different picture style from the menu here. You can resize your picture by hovering over the white dots and clicking and dragging. When you're done formatting, your essay should look something like this.